Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to update the Eris firmware step by step, and go over the issues that you will find when doing so. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is to go here where it says step 1 and find the blue text. Anywhere on the blue text is fine. Right click on it and say save link as. Once you've got that down, it takes a little while depending on how quick your computer is. It'll open up a folder. You'll find your own folder wherever you want to set this up. I put it in under create a folder by the name of Eris firmware update, which makes it easier for me to remember where it was. And this is what the file looks like once you save it, eris.hex file. The next thing we'll want to do is get this downloader here, the Xloader. And how you get that is by going here where it says step 3 and pressing on this button. However, if you do that, I was not able to get it from this particular site. When you click on it, you get all kinds of error messages such as not found. I hope that somebody watches this video, they'll fix it. They usually do. And that would be great. So the other way to get this software is by going to Google and typing in the name of the Xloader, basically software. And I found it here at this website that you can see. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you guys. hobbytronics.co.uk. And what you do is you go here where it says download Xloader. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do that, but you guys will need to do that. And then load the software, as you can see here. Now you'll go in here first and you'll press on the Eris hex file to open it, and then you'll scroll down and press here where it says Mega. Okay, do not use the other ones, they will not work with the Eris computer. Once you've done that, choose the port that you usually connect up with your Eris, and then choose this baud rate right here. Once that's done, you will press upload, and so long as your machine is working correctly and the USB is connected and all that the way it should be, then you will get a different message from what you just saw. And I think that I'm gonna have to reconnect mine because right now it's not being read, which is a total drag. But let's try it again. Now it's saying uploading, which means that whatever I did fixed the problem, and all I did was unplug my USB and replug it in. So once it's done uploading, you will get a positive message here, and it'll tell you how much has been uploaded to the machine. So while we wait for that, I'm going to go into matter control real quick here. Where we will do the final steps of the procedure. Now I just finished installing the latest updated version of matter control, which is nice. Hopefully it's more stable, because sometimes it crashed in the past. I do accept the agreement. Yes. Sure, whatever you want. Just hurry up and install. So now we're going to go through the last steps of the procedure. Once this is installed, it will run, and I will show you how to get it started. Alright, let's see. Matter control is going to start up. Usually takes a while. And here it is, matter control. Now we will go over here to my setup for the Eris. We will open that up. And now you need to go into the terminal. Now my terminal is set up, but usually it's not. So you gotta go and where there's 3 dots here and press show terminal, otherwise you will get nothing. Alright, then you will go down down here, and this is where you type in, let's see, step 6, type in G28 first. We'll type in G28, and oh, well, yes, it's very important, actually, I just forgot, to connect your machine. If you don't connect up to the machine, then the terminal won't work. So, alright, to know that your terminal is working, you'll see a bunch of code happening over there, and now you know that it's working. So we're going to type that again, G28, and you should hear a sound from the machine. There we go. All good. Step 7 is to write M502. Good. Next step is to M500. And then the last part will be to run the auto leveling, which is G29. But I recommend that you clean out your nozzle before you do the last step. Otherwise, you may break the machine as it smashes down with plastic and it won't do a proper calibration. So I'm going to do that first by heating up the nozzle, and I'll see you in the next video for that part. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it proves to be very helpful when you do this yourselves.